From the Kolkata studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on the debate.
Arnab Goswami on the debate at 10, powered by Softovac and Berger Paints.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. The latest fad among some politicians is to use the Muslim card on every issue. Every issue. Narcotics bust in Mumbai, Muslim card. Lakhimpur, Muslim card. Why are some politicians so intent on using the Muslim card on everything? Let's debate.
Aryan Khan's bail hearing has been posted for the 13th of October, and the law is taking its course. In a bizarre turn of events, some have gone all out to inject a Muslim card narrative. From Mehbooba Mufti, to the Congress Party, to the Lutyens lobby, to the Bollywood Brigade.
This despite the arrests that were made in accordance to law. According to the remand copy accessed by Republic TV, NCB says these arrests were made because of possession, consumption and attempt to commit offence under the NDPS Act. Not just that, sources within the NCB also maintain that they have digital evidence, and that is the reason why these arrests were made, citing WhatsApp conversations between the arrested accused with that of the supplier.
A communal colour is being given to what is clearly incredible work to make India drug-free.
Main issue and the main motto of NCB in all is to have clear the state of Maharashtra and Goa from the ill effects of drugs and drug menace. It's a general issue in the entire city, state as well as the state of Goa. So in that direction we have booked around, if you talk about Mumbai zonal unit, we have booked around 94 cases this year.
Asaduddin Owaisi has now used the Muslim card to provoke even in the Lakhimpur incident.
कि अब्बा जान का नाम अजय मिश्रा है, बेटे का नाम आशीष है, अतीक नहीं है। अगर बेटे का नाम अतीक होता या आरिफ अनवर हाशमी होता तो अब तक जेल में चले जाते, कितने घर तोड़ दिए जाते, कितने घर तोड़ दिए जाते अब तक। मगर ये बता रहा हूं, ये फर्क है।
Just like he did during the CAA law being passed.
ये कानून जो बनाया जा रहा है, इसलिए बनाया जा रहा है कि दोबारा पार्टीशन हो। ये कानून तो हिटलर के उस कानून से ही बदतर है, हर एतबार से फेलियर साबित होगा मैडम। इसीलिए मैं इस बिल की मुखालिफत करता हूं। ये हिंदुस्तान के संविधान के खिलाफ है। मैं इस बिल को फाड़ता हूं। ये हिंदुस्तान को तोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है।
In September, the Muslim card was used to play down an illegal conversion racket. The Muslim card was played to call for the release of those accused in the Delhi riots case.
हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री और हिंदुस्तान की सरकार हिंदुस्तान को बांटने का काम कर रही है। हिंदुस्तान की आवाम हिंदुस्तान के हुक्मरानों के खिलाफ लड़ रही है। अगर हिंदुस्तान के हुक्मरान देश को बांटना चाहते हैं तो हिंदुस्तान की आवाम देश को जोड़ने के लिए तैयार है। हम तमाम लोग सड़कों पर निकल कर आएंगे।
And the Muslim card has become a mainstay ahead of elections.
जब 22 में सरकार बनेगी तो चुनाव में 5 साल में 5 मुख्यमंत्री, एक मुसलमान 1 साल राजभर, 1 साल चौहान, 1 साल कुशवाहा, 1 साल पटेल.
The attempt to obfuscate real issues by using the Muslim card as perhaps a decoy may not work. The law of the land is the same for all, regardless of religion, and it will be enforced. Let's debate.
I mean, it is absolutely bizarre how some people are pushing this narrative, Shehzad Khan, about how Shah Rukh Khan's son is being quote unquote targeted because of a Muslim identity. What does narcotics have to do with your religion? And if you're caught in a narcotics case, how do you bring a religion angle to it? Where did the Muslim angle come in, Shehzad Khan? I want you to start the debate. You know, along with Aryan Khan, Munmun Dhamecha, Arbaz Merchant, Ismeet Singh, Mohad Jaswal, Gomit Chopra, Nupur Sarika, Vikrant Chokhar arrested. Are they all Muslim? What is this? What is this new thing that people are pushing? Atikur Rahman, huh? Targeted because he's a Muslim. What is all this? Atikur Rahman, ये क्या नया है? हाँ, Atikur Rahman.
Yeah, let Shehzad speak, then I'll
What is
follow
this
on
Muslim
that.
card being used here?
Okay, should I come in?
Who?
So when the Supreme Court came out with the
Either
Sabarimala
of you,
judgment, who
Atik
played
and
the
Shehzad
Hindu
on one
card
side,
on the-
I'll welcome.
when there was a Diwali cracker ban, who violated
Pardon?
the Diwali cracker ban? That was not a Hindu card. The NGT, when it reprimanded, you know, there cannot be bam bam bole, who played the Hindu card there? So if you play the Hindu cards, it's acceptable to you. But if we are demanding that equality should be maintained, we are playing a Muslim
No.
card. Is this equality? Is this equity and
No, one
justice?
second. Just one minute. Let me get it right here.
We are
Let me
demanding
get it right here.
justice.
Atik,
This is not- this is not- this
Atik,
is
one minute.
not-
Atik, one minute.
this is
Atik, one minute.
not-
One minute.
this
Just
is
one minute. Just
not-
one
this
minute.
is
Don't
not
make
a
long. No.
Hindu card
Indrajit, one minute. Indrajit, one minute. Indrajit, one minute. Indrajit, one minute. One minute. Indrajit, 1 minute. This spin being put last 2 days that this has been done by Narcotics Control Bureau because it is targeting Muslims. The follow-up arrests, Gopalji Anand, Samir Sehgal, Manav Singhal, Bhaskar Arora. They are the event managers who were arrested as part of the follow-up operations after Shah Rukh Khan's son was arrested. Right? Now, where's the Muslim card? Which one of these people are Muslim? You're talking about equality. I mean, there has to be a level of ridiculousness is being crossed here, right? I mean, okay, now Indrajit, please come in.
See, this is not about a Hindu card or a Muslim card. This, why don't you understand in the larger picture, it is narco-terrorism. In fact, it is very shocking and very sad that in this kind of a background that you are bringing a Muslim card into the picture. It's very sad if you go a little bit back into history, in the near history, when Afzal Guru and Maqbul Bhatt attacked parliament and they were caught red-handed, you could find, in fact, supporters for them. In fact, JNU, they had a debate asking whether Afzal Guru is a martyr or a militant. You know, this is the kind of debates, it's very shocking and very surprising. When Ajmal Kazab was in fact caught,
terror accused was taken to the parliament.
203 people, in fact, sent a petition. Let me finish it. You can talk. You'll get a chance to talk. Let me finish it. Please let me finish it. Let me finish it. Let me finish it. Whenever there is this kind of a debate, whenever there's a point, don't overlap me. Please let me finish it. When Ajmal Kazab was caught red-handed, in fact 203 people supported him,
you
sending
don't
a
have a
petition
point,
to
let
that Pranab
my point
Mukherjee
get into
saying
it.
that please excuse him. This is
You
so
are
stupid.
talking
In
of
fact,
Hindu card
when
and a
Sunil
Muslim
Dutt,
card,
you should take
I
an
am telling
example
you
of
why
Sunil
you
Dutt.
are bringing
You should
Afzal
take
Guru
an
over
example of
here. If you
Sunil
are
Dutt.
bringing Afzal
You should
Guru,
take an
then
example
I
of
have
Sunil
every
Dutt
right
when
to bring
Sanjay
in
Dutt was
Shadi
accused
Pragya,
and there was
who
an arrest
taken to the
warrant.
parliament
He
by the
called to
BJP.
Malaysia and
You
he
have
called
to
to
say something
Malaysia
about this.
and he asked him to come back.
Okay, you
Please
condemn.
surrender.
You
As a
condemn
father,
that
I
the
appreciate
BJP
that.
gave
You know,
ticket to a
when
terror
there is
accused.
a person who's
I
caught
will rest my
red-handed,
case
you
in the
should In fact, send him to rehabilitation or counseling, and there is a problem here.
I will
You should
rest
go
my
into the
case in the
base
deed
of the problem.
if you
And in
tell
fact, when
me
you know,
that
this is
the
very sad.
decision to
When
give
Mohammad
a
Azharuddin
MP
becomes an
ticket
Indian
to
captain,
Pragya Singh
you
Thakur
don't question him.
was bad
When
on the
he's
part of
accused
the
of
BJP.
match fixing,
She should-
you
she
question
should
him.
not have
This
been
is
elected to
very
parliament
sad.
on a
You know, when
BJP ticket.
when you
She is
don't
a
bring in
terror
a
accused.
Hindu card or a Muslim card during this kind of a situation. In fact, of course, even I feel sad for the situation here, because Shah Rukh Khan is a superstar. His son is caught in the situation. I appreciate Samir Wankhede. I feel sad because of Samir Wankhede is being targeted now for doing his job, doing his duty.
Play to the
This is
gallery.
very,
It's
very,
your
very,
choice.
very sad. You know, and you are bringing a
It's your
Muslim
choice.
card now.
Play to the
and
This
gallery.
has
Samir
to
Wankhede
stop
is
at
being
some point.
questioned.
You know, we
He's
have
being
to.
targeted
We have to.
and he's doing his job.
I'd like
And
to.
there is
I'd like to.
Karnataka,
Okay, gentlemen,
a lot
gentlemen. I
of
want to
people
bring in.
being arrested
I want to bring in
for drug
Shazia Elmi.
cases. So
I
where
want
is
to
the
bring in
Hindu
Shazia
card?
Elmi.
Muslim card?
I want to bring in Shazia Elmi, Shehzad Khan also on the debate. All I'd say is there has to be a limit which cannot be crossed. I mean, for anything and everything, you pull out a religion card. Shehzad Khan, not you. You know, after the arrest of Shah Rukh Khan's son, Narcotics Control Bureau Deputy DG makes it clear that 14 people are caught from the cruise. And after recording their statements, 6 people are released because there's no evidence against them. And Shah Rukh Khan's son is only one among 8, right? Against whom the evidence is accrued. Simple. He's doing his job. Now, because he's Shah Rukh Khan's son, some people begin this campaign, oh, targeted because he's a Muslim. Where's the Muslim identity here? What has religion got to do with drugs consumption? I don't understand the link. It's a calibrated campaign. It's a calibrated campaign. And this is going on and it's going viral in social media. Oh, so-and-so targeted because he's a Muslim. Now, people's section of Lutyens media, Vadra Congress, Mehbooba Mufti all jump in. It's an attempt at influencing minds. And it's an attempt at putting pressure on the investigating agency. Shehzad Khan, what do you think?
अर्नब, सत्य परेशान हो सकता है पर पराजित नहीं। सबसे पहले तो मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, महबूबा मुफ्ती जी को ऐसा लगा होगा तो उन्होंने कहा, और ये बात मैंने आपके चैनल पे पहली बार जब इस सिलसिले में डिबेट हुआ था तब कहा था, और 24 से 48 घंटे में मिस्टर नवाब मलिक ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की और जो हकीकत है उसका आईना फाश किया। हकीकत जब बाहर आ गई है तो अब लोग जुड़ रहे हैं, लोगों को पता चल रहा है कि खून का खून और पानी का पानी, व्हाट इज द फैक्ट ऑफ द मैटर। अब लोग जुड़ रहे, पीपल आर कनेक्टिंग, सिंपथाइजिंग, तो व्हाट इज रॉन्ग?
What is the fact of?
यही नवाब मलिक साहब पिछले साल वो नहीं आए थे सुशांत के केस में, तब कोई नहीं आया था। हाँ, तब मैं ही था ना, मैं भी था, और वो बच्ची जब अरेस्ट हुई थी और जब हमारी बच्चियों को बुलाया गया था,
Shehzad Khan,
तब
Shehzad Khan, so you also believe, you are also among those people who are pulling out this Muslim card. No, are you saying that this, one second, explain it to me. Shazia is on the debate, aram se debate kar. Are you trying to say, are you trying to say that this operation by Samir Wankhede, one minute. No. Are you trying to say, Shehzad Khan, that Shah Rukh Khan's son has been targeted because of a Muslim identity? I mean, because his father is a Muslim. Is that your argument?
See, you asked me what...
Are you trying to suggest that? Because some sections are busy pushing that theory.
I was replying to your... I was replying to your question.
Yeah, I'll tell you what Mehbooba Mufti has said. Mehbooba Mufti has said he has been targeted because his surname happens to be Khan. No. He has said he has been targeted because his surname is Khan. In other words, suggesting that Samir Wankhede carried out this operation, right, to target a specific Muslim identity. You believe this?
Yes.
You believe this? You actually believe in something like this? In garbage like this? You believe in it? You support it?
I agree to, मैं आपकी सारी बात मानने तैयार हूँ। एक मिनट शाजिया जी, एक मिनट प्लीज, एक मिनट मैं चाहूंगा। अर्नब, मैं आपकी सारी बात मानने तैयार हूं।
शहजाद जी,
मुझे
आप
आप
मुझे
बताइए
इजाजत देंगे
कि
बोलने
एनसीबी
की?
के कौन से लॉ बुक में ऐसा लिखा है? नहीं, मैं आपसे ही कहना चाह रहा हूं कि एनसीबी के या हमारे हिंदुस्तान के कौन से लॉ बुक में लिखा है कि एक इन्फॉर्मर और एक वांटेड आदमी इनमेट्स को, उन बच्चों को ऐसे ले जा रहे थे एनसीबी के ऑफिस में? आप मुझे इसका जवाब दीजिए कि एनसीबी की किसी लॉ बुक में लिखा है कि इस तरह से वो ले जाए? हाँ हाँ, कैन यू टेल मी, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन इट टू मी कि इन विच लॉ बुक इज इट रिटन?
आपने सवाल पूछा। नहीं, एक मिनट, आप पहले आए। एक मिनट, शहजाद खान, आपकी बात बहुत सुन ली मैंने, आपकी बात बहुत सुन ली मैंने। आपको मैं एनसीबी को लेके भी आपको मैं जवाब दूंगा 2 मिनट में, पर आप मुझे पहले ये बताइए, आप शाजिया को ये बताइए। शाजिया, मैं आई एम आस्किंग अ डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन, डोंट स्पीक ओवर मी। आई एम आस्किंग हिम अ क्वेश्चन, डज ही बिलीव दैट शाहरुख सन वाज टारगेटेड बिकॉज हिज नेम इज खान? ये बहुत हो गया, हिज नेम इज खान वाला जो चीज है, बिकॉज ऑफ हिज रिलीजन और रिलीजियस आइडेंटिटी ऑफ हिज फैमिली। आर यू सजेस्टिंग दैट? इफ यू आर सजेस्टिंग, से इट ओपनली, बताइए ना मुझे, उसके बाद मैं आपको एनसीबी के रूल बुक्स सिखाऊंगा आपको।
नवाब मलिक,
आप पहले उस पे तो आप टेक अ पोजीशन ऑन दैट।
आफ्टर मिस्टर नवाब Malik's statement, I am taking a position on that. That after Mr. Nawab Malik's statement, people were doubting. Their doubt confirmed. लोगों का doubt confirm हो गई थी. Yes, it must be one of the reasons.
What doubt? No, what doubt? No, what doubt? What doubt? No, what doubt? One minute. Shehzad Khan, have you read the Panchanama? Have you read the Panchanama? 1 minute, Shehzad Khan, आप सुनिए ना. Why don't you listen?
Yeah.
You want to prove to all your friends in Bollywood that you are standing up for them. Listen to me, have the courage to listen to me, and then respond. Have you read the NCB Panchanama?
I'm listening to you.
Narcotics Control Bureau का इस केस पे पंचनामा, have you read it? Have you read it?
Yeah, you tell me what is it. You tell me what is it. No, I don't. I'm seeing whatever your channels are showing. I'm seeing that.
It says, and I quote. It says, and I quote. Aryan Shahrukh Khan admitted that he consumed charas, and the charas was meant for smoke during the cruise journey, which means that the NCB believes there is enough evidence to book him under Section 8C, 20B, 27, and 35 of the NDPS Act, which relates to consumption of psychotropic or narcotic substance, which, for your kind information, is the law in this country. So, जो आप लोग आजकल चला रहे हैं ना, पिछले 2-3 दिनों में कुछ है ही नहीं, कुछ मिला ही नहीं, it's rubbish. You can make yourself happy. The NCB has a right to investigate. You are putting pressure on the NCB by putting out this Muslim card. ये क्या Muslim card है? Tazia, what is this Muslim card? What is this Muslim card? What is Muslim card have got to? Why are they pulling out a Muslim card in a narcotics case? Why?
Absolutely. I think this is shocking for me, and I think it really demeans me as a Muslim and as an Indian. And I think my identity cannot be just that of a Muslim alone. And I think it is really doing the biggest disservice to all the Indian Muslims by just making it about their religious identity than anything else. Also, I want to go into the background. Please listen to me, Shehzad. I want to tell you why it is so sinister that Mehbooba Mufti tweets and what it causes and how it portends for our democracy. So whether, 1987, an IFS officer, Sayyid Shahabuddin, who was an IS officer, he was to convey the decision of All India Babri Action Committee, and against the Shah Bano case, he actually asked Muslims to boycott the Republic Day. This happened in 87. It happened with Azharuddin when he was caught. There were match-fixing charges along with several other players. What did he say? I'm being targeted because I am a Muslim. And now what is Mehbooba Mufti saying is straight out of the playbook of Imran Khan, who is talking about this majoritarian kind of politics and whatever. You must know that there is rule of law, Shehzad. And you cannot, when you say something as, absolutely sinister. It is, you are doing the, there is what are you saying, sir? There is the rule of law prevails, and to be putting pressure on NCB, and Shah Rukh Khan is just, do you just see him as a Muslim? Shah Rukh Khan, Hrithik Roshan, all of them are great stars of ours, and we are their fans. Why do you want to reduce them to just Muslims or Hindus? I think no, Atiq Saab, you're playing a dangerous game. You are dividing
is on
the
the
country.
right.
You are
Gagan.
poisoning. You're not just influencing. You're poisoning. You're poisoning minds of Indians, and you are imposing this religious identity on every other identity that there should be. We are citizens of this country, and rule of law prevails. And NCB has questioned a whole lot of stars, a gamut of stars and directors and various people, and that has nothing to do with religion. To attribute it to religion and to religious identity is to really do the biggest disservice to your country, to the rule of law that prevails in our country. It is scaring me that you can speak like this because it's a democracy, because there is a rule of law, that you can even suggest this. And do you realize what you're doing by saying something as ominous and insinuating something as sinister as this?
Shazia,
it is so sinister,
Shazia,
Shehzad. You be honest. Have you been discriminated against?
I heard you.
I am telling you, excellence. And Jesse Owens
I
said
heard
it.
you. I heard you.
And Oprah on Winfrey said it.
I heard you.
Excellence and merit.
I heard you. I heard you.
Crying the victim card.
No, if for some reason, no, I ask you this. Tell me one thing, Shehzad, listen. Let's be logical today, okay?
Yes, tell me.
Let's be logical.
Yes.
There is something called the rule of law. Logically समझते हैं बात को, हाँ? Barnali Basak is on the debate as well. Vikram Singh is on the debate. Vikram Singh, actually, I want to bring you in. There is something called the rule of law in this country, yeah? You may not like it, but it also applies to everyone.
Yes.
There is something called the Narcotics Control Bureau.
I apply.
The Narcotics
I
Control
like
Bureau has allowed me now. You know the problem. Moment I make a factual remark, you want to make this general Bollywood type statement. Please listen to me. आपको मैं समझा रहा हूँ. Listen to me. The Narcotics Control Bureau has submitted before a court that there is incriminating material which points to narcotics consumption. And the moment you investigate this matter, you will find out more about international drug trafficking. And for your kind information, Shehzad, if you stop looking at it through your Bollywood blinkers, you will realize one thing. 5.26 million youth and children in our country are classified as drug addicts. Okay? It's 1 million more than people in the IT sector. If you take the total number of people in the IT sector in our country, there are 1 million more drug addicts than there are people in the IT sector. We are ruining the country's future. And in fact, it's terrific if everybody becomes equal before the law. Whether you're a star kid or not kid, who the hell cares? It's about safeguarding the country. So I think somewhere, Vikram Singh, please tell people like Rahul Ishwar, like this, stop being overindulgent, obsessing about stars, kids. Then now somebody pulls out a Muslim card. How is safeguarding India's human resources, safeguarding India's next generation from drugs about targeting Muslims? Somebody tell me, where does this targeting of Muslims come from? Where does it come from?
It's a very scary situation. Almost every 7th Indian is on the verge of becoming an addict. Now, if there is a trophy for perverse logic and intellectual dishonesty, it will go to such wild allegations and sweeping generalizations of the Muslim card. Indeed, people like Nawab Malik, people like Owaisi, people like Mehbooba have not covered themselves with glory, with logical consistency and taking a principled stand. They are not known to have taken a principled stand ever. Vote bank politics is in the marrow of these opportunistic politicians. Since I'm not into politics, but as an Indian, I salute Shazia ji for coming out with very bold statements, clarity of thought, but I wish Mehbooba would take a lesson or two and understand that when Azharuddin was the captain, was he not a Muslim? When Shah Rukh Khan was at the peak or still is at the peak, is he not a Muslim? When Mehbooba became the chief minister and her father was sworn in, the first thing that he did, I'm old enough to remember that, he thanked those across the border for getting and allowing the election to be held in peace. With these people, I think, who seem to have some kind of a soft corner, Mehbooba and her late father, soft corner for those across the border. I really don't know what are the compulsions, but yes, vote bank politics is at the bottom of this. And of course, I am only contemptuous of the Lutyens lobby, Krishnamurthy, and those belonging Udit Raj and others who seem to have making a beeline for whether it is Lakhimpur Kheri,
Congress
whether
party.
it is Udit Raj and others. And they are absolutely, I have nothing but contempt for them, sweeping generalizations. Look, Narcotics Control Bureau is accountable to rule of law and the
says,
court. If you're serious,
Congress party, I think.
Give your evidence.
Rahul
ji, I am very surprised.
No,
Rahul
1
ji,
minute.
I am very surprised. I am very surprised that you are taking a contrary stand, which is absolutely illogical.
Can I ask you one
very
question,
shocked.
sir?
Please
can I
go
ask
ahead.
you one question?
Absolutely.
Please.
Had you been in charge, would you allow private people like Manish Bhanusali or Gosavi to be along with these people who are arrested and take selfie with them? So is it not natural for media and civil society to raise questions? Who are these people? How did they come there? I also support Narendra Modi ji in a big way, but is it not natural for people to raise questions when private people are there, especially associated with a political party?
Rahul ji, gentlemen,
so is it not the responsibility of
gentlemen like you
to clarify doubts?
Rahul ji,
Is it not the
I'll give you the
responsibility
answer.
of NCB to point out?
I have hands-on experience. Let me tell you, gentlemen like you, people from very good families like you, are seldom would agree to become the witnesses or become a punch witness. Therefore, it is only the people who are available, people who agree to be witnesses are taken as witnesses. I don't say, and without commenting on the pedigree of the witnesses, but I would say, gentlemen like you would seldom be. I ask you a counter question. Would you agree to be a witness in such cases? You would certainly not be
I would,
willing
but
to be a witness.
even conceding your argument, when they are associated with the political party, won't it raise questions? Is NCB, shouldn't they be more careful of the optics?
No.
When somebody asks a question, how is this man there? Is he not associated with the party?
Belong to a
What is the
political
counter
party?
argument we can give?
You see, they are so smitten with the Bollywood. There was a case of this wrestler who also took selfies with the accused wrestler.
In
this case also, there is no legal bar of a political personality.
We're a secular
I'd ask
country.
you.
We are a secular
One
country.
minute.
This is our
Rahul, I'll tell you one thing. Barnali, he says,
Yes.
Rahul, tell me one thing honestly, and we be honest, and you're with Barnali on the program tonight. You are a master of selfies, and you have taken so many selfies with BJP leader. So many. Should I start naming? Nothing
But
wrong.
does that mean? But does
Nothing
that mean
wrong.
for a private?
No, 1 minute. Just 1 minute. One minute. One minute. Are Baba, you listen to me, no? Listen to me. Tomorrow, if there is a case, okay, and you want to be a witness, okay, and you want to be a witness before a court, or you want to be a witness with an investigating agency, okay, somebody who doesn't like the position that you're taking pulls out a selfie that you took in 2016, when, by the way, your political views were also slightly different from what they are today.
Sir, I am always
And says this man has to be denied his legal rights to be a witness because he took a selfie in 2016.
No, when they are associated with a political party, won't there be natural doubts? Is it
So
not
when
the
it comes to you, it is
responsibility
no.
of narcotics
When it comes to
control
others, it's
clarify?
yes.
Takes its own course.
There might be
Why
fringe elements in
natural
every
doubt?
party and
Why
every
the
spectrum.
doubt when
There might
law
be
takes
extreme
its
comments
natural
from both
course?
parties. But it
We
is
have
such
the
a
law of the
sensitive
country,
case.
and nobody
Should
is
not
above
have
the law,
NCB
whether it's
be
a
more
child of a
careful?
poor or
Is it
rich,
not a legitimate?
whether
We
you're
are all
Hindu,
people who
Muslim,
respect Samir
Christian,
Wangde.
Jew,
But
whatever.
shouldn't
Our
they be more
constitution
careful
does
while
not
dealing with
deal
such a sensitive
with
case?
dealing with Christians and Muslims and Hindus unequally. We all treat them equally. The constitution treats every citizen in this country equally. We are all equal before the eyes of law, and we are entitled to equal protection before the law. Why do we forget that? So where does this Hindu, Muslim and everything come together? And as far as Aryan being arrested, where is it coming from? Because he's a Muslim and not a Hindu. I mean, it's a menace against drug abuse, consumption, or possession of drugs. It's a menace in the society. See how many children are getting affected by consumption of drugs. Isn't it a menace which should be completely eradicated? Shouldn't we stand together, united, to fight against this? Our country is going to be finished.
No.
I mean, if we allow this and you're not
What is
allowing
being
the
said?
NCP
No,
to
what
take
is
its-
being said is very
to deal
serious.
with it legally.
No. What is being said? What is being said is a very. No. 1 minute. Kapil Madan. A minute, please. I just want to explain why we are debating this tonight. Because the implications of what is being said are very dangerous for our country.
Absolutely.
The Congress party, Udit Raj, says Aryan Khan is being targeted because he's a Muslim. So it's an absolutely unequivocal position taken by people with a lot of following on social media and huge amounts of political clout. Mehbooba Mufti
And
says
do you want to be
he's arrested
sympathized?
because his surname is Khan. Okay? Yeah. And third point also, Barnali, Kavita Krishnan says that he's being targeted because he's the son of a successful Muslim. In other words, Kapil Madan, by implication, the argument made is that successful Muslims and the children and families of successful Muslims are targeted by India's law enforcement agencies. In other words, a very evil argument being made here,
It's absolutely
Shazia,
ridiculous.
which has
And the
tremendous
statements
ability
made
to
by-
provoke and disturb the communal peace in this country, that no successful Muslim will be spared the persecution of the investigating agencies. So what happens, Kapil, is people who make these comments relentlessly. Then when we come forward and we question them, we become right-wingers. I want evidence tonight. I want evidence to back this up. I want evidence.
There are serious ramifications.
That in this specific case, the targeting was because of a religious identity.
I want to say.
Otherwise, the law should be applied against these people who have spread this bitterness and spread these lies, these presumptions. Should I say today? What if? No, 1 minute. Kapil Madan, tell me one thing. Shazia. Let's say, I don't know. 1 minute. Let's say Samir Wankhede is a Hindu. 1 minute. 1 minute, Kapil, one question to you and I hand it to you. If Samir Wankhede were to say, oh, everybody is targeting me now, not because I'm doing my job, but because I'm a Hindu, what would you say? People are targeting me personally, not because, because I'm a Hindu. What would you say? How does this argument hold?
Allow me to make
And
my
another
point.
point.
Now,
another point.
Shazia,
Serious ramifications.
allow me to first
they're
make my
making a
point,
case.
then you can rebut.
No,
Shazia ji, you can
Sure.
rebut me. Allow me
Sure.
to make my point.
Ji,
So
bilkul,
now, the former DGP, he has made a remark that no educated person comes forward to be a witness in this case. Now, I would like to highlight only one point, Arnab, here. Now, what is this happening?
He didn't
Now,
say that.
the
He never
witness.
said that.
Allow me to complete, Shazia, then you can rebut. So now, what has been said and what is happening in this case? The official witness of the NCP is coming on the media debates and he is revealing his identity. He has political affiliations, and I will not comment on the political affiliation. Anyone can have political affiliation with anyone. But the point here I'm trying to make is that if he is the official punch witness, why is he coming on the media? Why is this circus happening in the media? Why can't he just remain a punch witness? Why he is trying to publicize this case? Why he is trying?
One minute.
I'm not yet complete.
Shehzad, what is that to do with playing the Muslim card? No. What is that to do with the Muslim card?
Allow me to complete.
No, you are not making any sense.
He's trying to go away from that subject.
You are saying.
He's trying to go away from that Muslim card issue.
Shehzad, I heard you. I heard you. शहजाद, हमने सुनी आपकी बात को. देखिए आप जो है बहुत ये बहुत जहरीली बातें हैं. इससे जो असरात है इसके. नहीं सुनिए आप मेरी इस बात का. शहजाद, you know the ramifications of what you are saying and insinuating are very serious. You know we've had a partition in our country. We've had a partition in our country, Arnab, based on this religious identity and the idea. No, can I come in? Okay, you speak. Finish. Can I, Shehzad, can I come in? Shehzad, will you allow me to speak? I will speak now, Shehzad. Shehzad, I will speak. Shehzad, what are you saying? Shehzad, allow me to come in. What is this? I don't think you should allow. I think you should allow me to speak.
Shazia, that's the point I'm trying to make.
I had the courtesy to listen to you. Can I answer you? आपने बोल लिया. You're repeating yourself, my dear friend. Can I say something? No, Arnab, I don't want to. Can I just say something? That's a small point. It's a small point. नहीं, आपने कर लिया complete. No, everybody should have fair chance of speaking. No, you've said what you have to say.
No, I've not got a chance to say.
You have been speaking ad nauseum.
Allow me to complete. You have to allow me to complete and then you can respond. When you were speaking, when you were speaking, I never interrupted, and I am expecting the same sort of courtesy from you.
It's not about you and
my
me.
question, Kapil. Kapil, you didn't. Kapil, 1 minute. Shazia, 1 minute. Shazia and Kapil, 1 minute. Kapil, a minute. Shazia, both of you are going a little off track. Kapil, first of all, I must congratulate you for your very brave attempt at running away from the issue. Shazia, 1 minute. I congratulate Kapil for his very brave and open attempt today. Junaid, at going off track. What is the subject today? The subject is some people are pulling out the Muslim card and everything. हर चीज में Muslim card. Lakhimpur Muslim card, narcotics case Muslim card. See, I'll pull you back on track, Kapil, okay? And Junaid is on the debate.
No.
4 men. Let me give you an example. I live in the real world, Junaid. Junaid, 1 minute. Junaid को सवाल कर रहा हूँ मैं. Sorry, Junaid Ali Khan is a lawyer from Delhi is joining us. Junaid, Kapil Madan is debating with you. Here's the point. 4 men are executed in Saudi Arabia. Executed. Why? Because they were carrying some hashish. They were carrying some hashish. Okay? Why were they executed? Because the law does not allow the possession of drugs. 4 men, 2 sets of brothers were executed. Were they targeted because they were Muslims? No, they were targeted because they were carrying drugs, hashish. Simple.
That's the law of the land.
And these people, no, Kapil, these people keep talking about Dubai. My point is, in Dubai, can you do this? Where is this Muslim card? I want the law to be allowed to operate, Kapil, and you as a lawyer should not come in the way of that. I want Junaid to come in. Junaid, who's been quiet so far.
I am saying, Arnab, you should apply law in the strictest possible sense. But the question I'm trying to ask you is, the same law should also apply when the heroin worth rupees 21,000 crore were seized.
Shah Rukh Khan is a Bollywood star, and
today we don't even know who are the
bearing a
beneficiaries
Muslim
of that.
name, but he has a follower across the nation, irrespective of caste, creed, and religion. So where is the question of being targeted for being a Muslim? So there is no question of this Muslim card. I think this is a very absurd statement given in order to politicize this issue. And moreover, no one should be left off the hook, howsoever high he may be. No one should escape the law. That's very much clear.
No, again I say,
Arnab, I would just like to
today, you know, these people are saying he's being targeted because he's a Muslim. I think before the Uttar Pradesh elections, Kapil, before the UP elections, some people are looking for a religion card in everything. Parul Khera wants to come into the debate. Yes, Parul, tell me.
अर्नब, 2 चीजें हैं जो सबसे ज्यादा हमारे देश में बिकती है, वो है एक तो बॉलीवुड है, दूसरा रिलीजन है. चाहे मीडिया चाहे पॉलिटिक्स हो, ये 2 चीजें हमेशा हाईलाइट रहती है. जहां तक रहा आर्यन खान का केस, आई वुड सेकंड राहुल ईश्वर कि वो विटनेस है, इन्फॉर्मर है, जो भी है, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से एफिलिएटेड है, वो क्या कर रहे थे? एनसीबी ऑफिस में सेल्फी ले रहे थे। एक सेल्फी लेना, यू आर अ फैन, यू आर टेकिंग इट इन एन इवेंट, आई वुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट, but inside the NCB office, I don't take your point. One. Second, similar case when Deepika Padukone was, supporting CA protest, we have seen. वहाँ भी तो था religion card. वहाँ भी तो यही किया था, all those trends were there. Boycott Chhapak, boycott Deepika Padukone. She's a jihadi और पता नहीं क्या. मतलब if you support any religion party or any religion group, you are targeted. And similar in this case also. और रिया के केस में भी ये होता है, if not religion then political कुछ तो ऐसा है जो अगेंस्ट है आर्यन खान के या शाहरुख खान के, क्योंकि ये बीजेपी का रहता ही है। अभी रिया चक्रवर्ती को भी उन्होंने पूरा यूटिलाइज कर लिया था सुशांत सिंह के केस में, उसके बाद सब गायब हो गया, कहाँ गया पता नहीं। रिया को भी छोड़ दिया गया कोर्ट ने, बट उसके लिए जितनी विच हंटिंग हुई, मुझे नहीं लगता उसका जितना करियर तबाह हुआ। और सेम अब आर्यन खान के साथ भी होगा, उसका बेचारे का करियर शुरू होने से पहले ही उसका करियर आधा तो खत्म कर चुके हो। तो आई डोंट टेक योर सेल्फी वाला थिंग कि एनसीबी ऑफिस में वो सेलिब्रिटी के साथ सेल्फी।
आप जो कह रही हैं, आप जो कह रही हैं, एक मिनट, आप जो कह रही हैं पारुल जी, शाजिया रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगी। उसको अंग्रेजी में कंजेक्चर,
झूठों से भरा है,
और हिंदी में ख्याली पुलाव कहते हैं। अब शाजिया जवाब देंगी आप पे। शाजिया विल रिस्पॉन्ड टू यू।
एक बात का मैं आपको एक बात का जवाब दूंगी पारुल जी, एक चीज का। सुशांत सिंह राजपूत में जो हुआ वो केस चल रहा है, ये शुक्र है कि मीडिया ने उठाया, कुछ चैनल से इसको ज्यादा उठाया, उसकी वजह से पूछताछ हुई। ये जो पूरा बस्तर देख रही है जो हो रहा है ड्रग्स को लेकर, वो उसी तहकीकात का नतीजा है। सुनिए, आप चुप रहिए, आप बहुत बोलिए, आप बहुत उलझुल बोलिए मैडम, आप बोलने दीजिए, आप चुप रहिए आप। अरे भाई नहीं, आप चीखे नहीं, सुनने की हैसियत रखिए, कुव्वत रखिए, सुनिए भी किसी और की बात को। और दूसरी और बहुत जरूरी बात मैं आपसे कहना चाह रही हूँ, ये मुसलमान हिंदू करना हर अरे आप क्यों चिल्ला रही हैं? आप क्यों पॉलिटिक्स को इसमें ला रही हैं? इसमें बीजेपी का क्या लेना देना है?
क्योंकि बीजेपी
का क्या लेना देना है? आप अपनी पॉलिटिक्स क्यों कर रही हैं यहाँ पे? और भाजपा से नफरत एक चीज है, लेकिन पॉलिटिक्स करना और रूल ऑफ लॉ को, जो कानून, न्याय के कानून पर सवाल उठाना अलग बात है। और आप हिंदू मुसलमान क्यों कर रही हैं? दीपिका पादुकोण नहीं, दीपिका पादुकोण क्या थी? हिंदू की मुस्लिम?
वो छोड़ दिया जाता है एनसीबी ऑफिस।
रिया पिल्ले क्या थी? हिंदू या मुस्लिम? रिया पिल्ले
getting some breaking news.
आप बताइए, आपकी थ्योरी बैठ नहीं रही है।
Viewers,
हिंदू थे कि मुस्लिम?
Viewers, we are getting some breaking news coming in. We are getting some breaking news. Shawan is with me. We have just got some exclusive videos from Mumbai, viewers, and this is CCTV footage. CCTV footage based on which the Narcotic Control Bureau Sameer Wankhede has filed a complaint of him being tracked by men in plain clothes. Sameer Wankhede has gone to the police and complained to the Maharashtra DGP. This footage is of Sameer Wankhede entering the Oshiwara crematorium in Mumbai. This is getting very mysterious. To understand what this complaint is about and what this footage shows, Shawan Sen, Shawan.
Well, Arnab, this is a clear case of illegal surveillance, because remember, there is no case that has been registered against the zonal director of the NCB, Sameer Wankhede. But it now turns out that this morning, when Sameer Wankhede, who goes to this crematorium every day, in fact, he lost his mother in 2015, and thereafter he's been going to this crematorium every single day before he goes to office. It turns out that a well-wisher from the crematorium, a trustee, called him up and informed him that he was being followed, and in fact 2 people in plain clothes had come to the trustee's office asking for the CCTV footage with the sole aim to find out what time he enters, what time he leaves, and that surveillance was carried out. Now this is the CCTV footage that we have accessed, in which one can see Sameer Wankhede walking inside, going to the crematorium, and then leaves, gets into his car and from there leaves for the NCB office. It turns out that there's a proper surveillance is being done. The information that we have is that 2 policemen from the Oshiwara police station who have been basically following Sameer Wankhede. All this information has now been given in the form of a complaint to the Maharashtra DGP. We have tried checking with the Maharashtra police whether at all they are taking cognizance of it. So far, information, no cognizance has been taken of the complaint that has been filed by Sameer Wankhede, a man who is responsible for 300 arrests. He has made 300 arrests in the last 1 year. 94 cases have been registered by Sameer Wankhede and his team in Mumbai. And not just that, 11 cases in Goa. A total of 300 arrests that have been made. And here is a man against whom an illegal surveillance has been done.
Just imagine the pressure, Indrajit Lankesh, right now being put on Sameer Wankhede. Politicians pulling out the Muslim card, all kinds of allegations being made, personal attacks being made on him, and now he's being tracked like this, being followed, whether this is private detectives or not. And why? Simply because he's doing his job. The man is at the forefront of one of the biggest ever anti-drug operations in this country. It so happens that one of his operations, a star kid is caught and all hell breaks loose. This is incredible. Politics over it, personal accusations, and now surveillance. Indrajit.
Very sad. It's very sad that Sameer Wankhede is being targeted. In fact, he's been followed. He's been, he's complained. This itself shows that he's being targeted. It's very, very, very sad that such an investigation is done. Very brave of him to go into a ship, just 22 of them, when there is 250 people in a ship. Can you imagine what if he was attacked? And he was so brave to, in fact, go and do the investigation and come back with so much of evidence. And I just want to answer to the lady there. I just want to answer to the lady. In fact, she was saying that Deepika Padukone was attacked because she went to JNU. She went to JNU and she came back, she was attacked. It was not that.
No Indian in their right mind will agree with any of these.
For the mal.
There are some ground rules that everyone should follow.
In fact, that was the reason why she was called.
I don't think anybody in India, whether they belong to right or left or center.
Please don't overlap me. Please don't overlap me. I just want to finish my point. Please, I just want to finish my point. Please don't overlap me. I just want to finish my point here. And to Mr. Owaisi and to Mehbooba Mufti and to Mr. Shehzad and to Mr. Atiq, I just want to answer them this point which Arnab was saying. There's more than 2,000 people from the IT sector who's been caught with the drug, in fact, episodes. So this is a reason. Another reason is there are a lot of people who have been arrested from 1.5 years. In fact, I just don't want to give their names, with the surnames of Dwivedi, Galrani, Alwa, Khanna, and in fact one of the lady campaigned for BJP also. So there is no political motive behind this. I just want to correct this. The people are taking drugs.
Legacy, just one submission.
Tracking them.
Sir, just one submission. Sir, just one submission.
So,
sir, just one submission.
Rahul Ishwar and then Barnali. Rahul Ishwar and Barnali.
In fact,
sir, just one submission. I believe everyone in their right mind, everyone in their right mind will agree with you that there shouldn't be any snooping, there shouldn't be any pressure. But just one line submission. There are 3 issues here. One,
is not weak.
Second,
when the law agencies, investigating agencies, when they do their job, this is how they are targeted. It is so unfortunate that, one cannot do his own job. He's been targeted because of just for doing his job. And there are all these powerful lobby and people who are not letting him do his job.
So please,
and then we raise our heads up, and then we have the audacity to question that the law of a country is weak. How dare we question the law of the country? Everybody raises their head and they say, our law, hamara kaanoon itna sakht nahi hai. We have our law in place, and when all these law enforcing agencies and authorities, they are performing their jobs, you don't allow them to do it. It is so unfortunate. It is so unfortunate. Especially with regard to these drug-related cases.
I think
don't we want to stand united to finish this off?
I think Sameer Wankhede needs support right now and needs to be given an atmosphere in which he can do his job. Any attempt to vitiate the atmosphere, stop him from doing his job should not be allowed. Vikram Singh is a serious matter. if we are now...
This is...
Yeah.
Arnab, this is a very serious matter. He's investigated all the high-profile cases, and I would say that he should reinforce his security and should make his movements absolutely unpredictable. I know it can be very, very serious, but I do hope that the Maharashtra police will give him due protection and ensure who the people were trailing him and get after them. Sameer Wankhede indeed is treading on very thin ice, and he has been attacked once, I'm told, and yes, also his security threat perception has to be evaluated, given proper security, if not by the state, by the central government, to ensure that nothing untoward happens to him. And indeed, my advice to him to make his movement unpredictable. And those who have been following him should be given a lesson of a lifetime, much to the discomfiture of many of my friends. But yes, they should be given a lesson of a lifetime. This is totally unacceptable that a senior officer is targeted and is followed like this manner.
Also, these statements are very provocative, when you mislead people by saying Muslim card and all, whoever's saying it, it may not be the individual concerned or the person accused, but to use these statements is also itself provocative, isn't it? I mean, Shehzad, you should also be a little responsible about things like this. It's not going to work.
I cannot be Mehbooba Mufti.
You also made some of the most ridiculous comments saying he's doing it for publicity, for PR and things like that. You have.
See, Arnab, you see the history now. You see the history when he was in the customs. I can give you the names of all the heroines. Minisha Lamba, Priyanka Chopra, Preeti Zinta, Bipasha Bhatt. There's a list. It's on record. You can go and check it. Please go and check it. How they were harassed.
So what is his fault there?
Kapoor.
What was his fault?
Go and check it. Yes.
Harris, a custom officer does his job at the airport. If he catches stars, they say it's harassment.
Let him.
No. If an ordinary citizen is caught, the officer is doing his job. If he catches a star, it's harassment. Why?
Why? It is in the record.
Why?
It is written there that Minisha Lamba was harassed for 16 hours. It is written there. It is on record. I am not saying it. It is on record. Please check it.
Harris,
it is on record.
An ordinary citizen is questioned and caught. It's fantastic. Okay, we are getting pictures. These are live pictures of Wankhede, ladies and gentlemen. The man is under a lot of pressure right now. Yes, please. He's live pictures of Wankhede right now. He's just, CCTV footage shows that he's being tracked even in the crematorium. His mother passed away many years back, and every day, apparently, before going to work, he goes to the crematorium. A lot of pressure on this young Narcotics Control Bureau officer. He's really taken on himself, ladies and gentlemen. Needs support right now. Let's not play the religion card and everything. And ladies and gentlemen, before I go this evening, messages. Ramesh Jethabai says, ceasefire should be called off vis-a-vis Pakistan. I agree. Devina from Uttar Pradesh says, these offenders should quit playing the religion card and to get out of the mess they've created for themselves. Ladies and gentlemen, I agree. No religion card in anything. And security if we want development. That's where I stand. I shall see you tomorrow at 9 p.m. Come what may. Good night and goodbye.